Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add Grammarly extension to Firefox. And here's how it is done. Open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Select Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Add-ons page. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. From the results, click on the Grammarly extension for Mozilla Firefox. Click Add to Firefox and wait for the download and installation to complete. When prompted, confirm by clicking Add. Grammarly is now added to Firefox. To start using it, click Activate Grammarly when prompted. Sign into your Grammarly account. Once you are logged in, Grammarly will be fully active in your Firefox browser. And that is everything you know about how to add Grammarly extension to Firefox. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.